Question number 16. Two circles touch each other externally at point P. AB is common tangent to the circle touching them at A and B. Find the value of angle APB. You see, two circles touch each other externally. Externally means let a circle is here, another circle here. Okay. External at point P. This point is P. AB is common tangent to the circle touching them at A and B. So common tangent means here let this is a tangent touching A and here B. Okay. This circle at A and this circle at B. Find the value of APB. You have to find this angle APB. You see here we will draw a tangent, that is here at point P. If you draw a tangent from this point, okay, let this point be M. You see, now you see from M, MA and MP are two tangents to this circle. MA equal to MP. You can write MA and MP are two tangents to first circle. The center O, center O dash. With center O. You see, so MA is equal to MP. Clear? Now you see, MB and MP are two tangents to second circle, center O dash. Okay. So here MB and MP are tangent to second circle. So MB is equal to MP. Now you see, this part is equal to this part. Okay. Let take this angle as X. Let MAP angle equal to X. So this angle will be X. MPA also equal to X. Similarly, take this one, MBP angle Y. This angle Y. So this side is equal to this side. So this angle will be Y. So MPB is also equal to Y. See, this part X, this part X. So this will be, you can write A, or directly write this plus this, it is 2X. BMP angle equal to X plus X equal to 2X. How? In a triangle, the sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. So the first angle X plus X is 2X. This is the exterior. Similarly, for second triangle MBP, this angle will be 2Y. We can write here angle AMP is equal to Y plus Y equal to 2Y. Here you can write here property, sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. This property is applied. Now you see BMP 2x, AMP 2y. So BMP, if you write equation 1 and equation 2, you can add it. BMP plus AMP is equal to 2x plus 2y, that equal to 2x plus 2y, that equal to 180. Why? Because it is linear pair. 2x plus 2y equal to 180. That implies if you take 2 common, 2 into x plus y equal to 180 degree. That implies x plus y equal to 180 degree by 2, that is 90 degree. You see here, we have to find APB. You see, angle APB is equal to APM plus BPM. APM is what? X plus BPM is what? Y. Okay, you see, APB is x plus y. Here you find x plus y equal to 90 degree. So APB is equal to 90 degree. That is the answer. Write it. It's a very good question. Question number 17. In figure 5, AB is a diameter of circle with center O. AT is a tangent. If AOQ 58 degree, find ATQ, this angle you have to find. You see, it is a very easy question. In this figure, you see AQ is an arc, and this arc makes 58 degree angle at the center. We know a property is there. If an arc makes angle at the center is twice the angle on the circle, the same side. So if this angle is 58 degree, this will be half of 58. So it will be 29 degree. So you can write angle AOQ is equal to twice of angle ABQ. That implies this one is 58 degree to ABQ implies ABQ equal to 58 degree by 2 equal to 29 degree. This angle is 29 degree. You see here, AT is a tangent. AT is a tangent to the circle. So this angle will be OAT angle equal to 90 degree, or you can write it is equal to BAT angle. This angle is 90 degree. Now in triangle BAT, you see, put angles in property. This angle ABT plus BAT plus BTA is equal to 180 degree. That implies ABT is equal to 29 degree plus BAT 90 degree plus BTA is equal to 180 degree. Implies 29 plus 90, 119 degree plus BTA is equal to 180 degree. That implies BTA angle is equal to 180 degree minus 119 degree equal to 61 degree. So BT equal to 61. You see, BTA is also equal to QTA. So you can write BTA angle means it is QTA. So it is 61 degree. You have to find ATQ, QTA, or you can write it ATQ, that equal to 61 degree. So answer is, this one is 61 degree, right? Question number 18. In figure 6, common tangents PQ and RS to two circles intersect at A. Prove that PQ is equal to RS. You see here, in this figure, they intersect at A. From point A, you see first circle AP and AR are two tangents. We know that from external point, if we draw tangents to a circle, then tangents are equal. Okay, from A to circle 1, the first circle we can write AP and AR are tangents. So AP is equal to AR. That is equation 1. Similarly, from A to second circle, AS and AQ are tangents. So AS is equal to AQ. Similarly, you can write AS is equal to AQ. Because from A, AS and AQ are tangents to the second circle. You can write also. It is equation 2. Now you see, adding 1 and 2, we get AP plus AQ. AP plus AQ, you can write here AQ equal to AS. Okay, it will be easy. AP plus AQ is equal to AR plus AS. That implies AP plus AQ is PQ. AR plus AS is RS. Root. Very easy. It's a very easy question. You can write from A, these are tangents are equal. Similarly to second circle, these two are tangents are equal. Adding 1 and 2, we get the answer. Question number 19. AB is a diameter and AC is a chord of a circle with center O such that BAC angle is equal to 30 degree. The tangent at C intersects AB at a point D. Prove that BC equal to BD. AB is the diameter. Circle. Circle. Center O. AB is the diameter. And AC is a chord. Center O. BAC 30 degree. This angle you see, this is 30 degree. BAC 30 degree. The tangent at C, here tangent at C intersects AB, that means we extend this. Tangent, if you draw tangent here, C at C intersects AB at a point D. AB at a point D. Prove that BC is equal to BD. So draw tangent line. Okay. You see, okay, tangent is always perpendicular to the center. Okay, at C, tangent at C intersect AB at point D. Okay. Prove that BC means join here. BC is equal to BD. Okay, we have to prove. Now you see, this angle is 30 degree given. BAC is equal to 30 degree. If BAC 30 degree, then this, you see here, this arc forms on the circle 30 degree. So here the center, it will fall 60 degree twice. There is a property that an arc, if an arc forms an angle on the circle, is half of the angle formed at the center. So here it is 30 degree, so it will be 60 degree. Now you see, if it is 60 degree, these two are ready. OB is equal to OC, ready. So angle sum property you can use here. OBC plus OCB plus BOC equal to 180 degree. These two sides are equal. This angle will be equal. OBC and OCB are equal. BOC 60 degree. You can write OBC to OBC plus BOC 60 degree equal 180 degree. That implies 2 OBC is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That implies 2 OBC is equal to 120 degree. So OBC angle equal to 60 degree. If OBC 60 degree, OBC is equal to OCB, this angle is also 60 degree. Now you see, if this part is 60, this one is tangent, OC is perpendicular to total 90 degree. So BCD angle will be, BCD angle BCD is equal to BCD, OCD minus OCD minus OCB. OCD is 90 degree minus OCB is 60 degree, so 30 degree. So BCD, this angle is 30 degree. In ACD triangle, now you see, in triangle ACD, angle A, you can write CAD angle plus CAD angle plus ACD plus ADC equal to 180 degree. Now you see, CAD 30 degree plus ACD. You see OAC, this part equal this part radius. So if this is 30, this is 30. Okay. This is 30 plus 60 plus 30. So total is, it is 120 degree. ACD 120 degree plus ADC is equal to 180 degree. That implies 150 degree plus ADC is equal to 180 degree. So you can write ADC angle equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree equal to 30 degree. You see, ADC is angle is also 30 degree. Now in triangle BCD, this angle 30 and this angle 30. Okay, you can write BDC angle is equal to BCD angle is equal to 30 degree. If here two angles are equal in a triangle, if two angles are equal in a triangle, then their opposite sides also equal. So this equal to this. First angle opposite side is BDC, opposite is BC, is equal to BCD opposite BD. So BC equal to BD is an isosceles triangle because two angles are equal, so their opposite sides also equal. It is proved. Question number 20. The lengths of three consecutive sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle are 4 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm respectively. Determine the length of the fourth side. You see, quadrilateral circumscribing So let the quadrilateral is like this. Circle is inside it. Okay, the circle center A, B, C, D. Here given three sides given. Let AB 5 cm, BC AD it is 4. Let it is 4 cm, 5 cm, and 7 cm. We have to find AD. You see, AB is 4 cm. Let you can write P, Q this point, R, S. Let take AP. Let AP equal to X. Total AB is 4 cm. If we take APX, then BP will be X minus 4 minus X. This will be 4 minus X, this portion. You see, BP and BQ are tangents and are equal. Okay, BP equal to BQ. If it is 4 minus X, we can write this is also 4 minus X. So BQ is equal to 4 minus X. 4 minus X. You see here, AP is X. So AS equal to AP. We can write also AS is also equal to X. This is X. You see, BC given 5 cm. BQ, BC equal to 5 cm. BC is what? BQ plus QC equal to 5. BQ is 4 minus X plus QC equal to 5. So QC equal to 5 minus 4 minus X. You can find 5 minus X plus X. It is equal to sorry. It's 4 minus X. 5 minus 4 minus X. 5 minus 4 plus X. So 1 plus X. Is 1 plus X. QC 1 plus X. If QC 1 plus X, this one is tangent. QC CR. QC equal to CR 1 plus X. This is 1 plus X. 1 plus X. You see, CD is what? 7. CD is equal to 7 cm. If CD 7, DR plus RC equal to CD. In place, we can write DR plus CR or RC equal to 7. So DR equal to DR plus CR value is 1 plus X equal to 7. That means DR equal to 7 minus 1 plus X. That equal to 7 minus 1 minus X, 6 minus X. So DR equal to 6 minus X. If this one is 6 minus X, this is also equal because tangents. DR and DS. DR is equal to DS is equal to 6 minus X. This is 6 minus X. This portion 6 minus X. And this is X. Right, we have to find AD. So AD equal to AS plus DS. AS is what? X plus DS is 6 minus X. X cancel to 6. So AD is 6. Determine the length of the fourth side. So fourth side is X. So friends, we have already completed 20 questions from circle. You have to practice these questions again and again. If you have any doubts, then you can contact me. You can comment in my comment box, or you can send me doubts through my email and also in my WhatsApp number. Thank you, friend. Keep smiling and enjoy study.